So this is a series of little miniatures that are made by the company Re-Ment, and they used to have a whole big boom for this series about 5 years ago, and then a lot of those things were discontinued and not made anymore. But there's been kind of a resurgence here, especially with these characters stuff. There's a lot of Sanrio things, My Melody, Hello Kitty, and even the little twin stars, Kiki and Lala, who I love. I hope I can get those sometime because they're adorable. And then there's also a whole bunch of Disney stuff, which I'm not a huge fan of, so I may not wind up getting, and also Dirakuma, which is really cute. Some really cute stuff from that too. So each of these run about $3.99, which is about like $4 if you're living in a better world where the yen is not as strong and the dollar is stronger, but that's not the way it is right now. And there's 6 of these to collect, so if you want to get a complete set, you need to have about $24 to spend to get them all. The tricky thing about these with this series is that they don't tell you what's inside the box. They tell you what you can collect, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then on this side 5 and 6, but they don't tell you which one's inside. Sometimes with these series what they'll do is on the top or someplace in the front they'll tell you which one is inside. This one does not tell you, so you have no way of knowing. You're just going to kind of take a lucky chance and see what you can get. So it's sometimes nice to be able to just go online and buy all of them together. That some of the toy companies' online stores, they go ahead and just open the boxes and collect them all in the right order so that you can get a set without having to waste money. Or you can do like I do, where I just thought it'd be fun to try, and I'm trying to collect them on my own. So I'm going to show you guys what's in this one. I already know because I already popped it open from behind here because I like to keep the top part of my box from being torn and destroyed. So let's open it up and see here. So inside is this big long train of stuff inside plastic. We have some plates and a little soup and a little sushi there. Looks like it's maguro probably. And then we also have the part to the counter. There's 3 pieces out of the 6 of this series. You need this part to fit together to make the little sushi's counter that goes around. There's also a little piece of gum. Yay! Which I always wanted, right? And then inside here is this little cute description that tells you specifics about what you got in the box. And there's a nice little cute display of how you want to set everything up if you want to kind of mimic that when you make your own display. And then on the back here is this little section that you can cut out that features a menu and then the descriptions about what is included in this set to tell you kind of what's in this series. So this one, for example, has maguro, which is tuna, and then down here it looks like there's hotate no miso shiru, so miso soup with hotate, or I don't know what hotate is, clam, kind of, yeah. So so many of these foods I never ate when I was in America. I only ate since I've been here in Japan, and so then I only know the Japanese words for like all the different kinds of fish. Sometimes hard for me to remember. So let's open these up and take a look at everything. I'll get this stuff out of the way. The part of the counter is pretty simple, not very complicated or cool. There's not even anything Hello Kitty written on it, which I was a little surprised. I thought maybe they'd have like a little bit of something somewhere that said Hello Kitty, but it's just this basic red and then yellow, kind of mimicking kind of wood or something on the top. And then the little stand section here where Hello Kitty will stand when you put it all together. That's the little part of the counter that's included. And then we'll go ahead and open up all of the plastic here. To see what's inside. So like I said, this has tuna or maguro in it, so that's one of the first ones. And it's adorable because it has a cute little, looks like a little daffodil flower, maybe for the flower on her head. That's pretty cute. And then her face is made out of seaweed. You cut it really small and put it on there to make it, if you ever wanted to make your own version of this in real life. And this also includes 1 plate. The other set had a black and a red one, and this is a really pretty blue one. And so that one, you can have your sushi sitting on top of. There's also this little thing here. It talks about the restaurant and has a cute little picture of Hello Kitty on top. So we'll put that to the side here. And then there's the miso soup, and it comes in this nice little little miso bowl. Looks just like regular, miso bowls here. Usually these are red or black, depending on where you get them and such. And then here is the soup itself, which fits inside. And you can kind of see there's the little bit of vegetable and then a Hello Kitty shaped hotate inside. So pretty adorable with the little shell on top. And then this is the soup itself. So you just pop that inside and it looks like this when you're finished. So some pretty cute things for this particular set and series. And I do like this part here because this does come out. Sometimes on these cheaper ones they're all connected and you can't take them out. That was kind of one of the good signs of this series, this company of Re-Ment, because they take a lot of time to make stuff more fun. So if you're a little kid and you're playing, you can clean up when you're finished and wash the dishes and have people eat the food. So kind of cute to have it like that. So that's the little piece that goes in this kit. And I'll be showing you guys the other two that I have so far, and fingers crossed I'll find the first one at some point so we can get it all as a complete set.